Hi everyone, it's Kylie here from Oats Australia. Welcome to my kitchen and another episode of Kylie's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make some healthy Christmas balls for snacks. And these are so super easy. We were really excited to discover this recipe. All we're going to use are either the spice muesli, the chocolate muesli, or the crumble, made really great little snack balls as well. So it's very easy. I have pre-prepared in here 1 cup of dates, and I've just blended them up in the Thermomix for about 5 seconds on high, so you can use whatever blender you have. Now I've got 2 cups of the chocolate muesli going in there. At this stage, it's really up to you if you want to get creative and add some more, like ingredients, for instance, some more chocolate chips, which you can purchase off our website, and you can also put some protein powder in there. The last ingredient you need is just some melted coconut oil, and that will just bind everything together. Another ingredient that I did use with the spiced muesli, it was a little bit of honey. So we've got some beautiful Oats gluten-free honey, or you can use some rice syrup. Really, maple syrup would be fine too, whatever you have in the pantry. All the products are sweetened with coconut sugar, so you might have a taste after you blend it that you don't need to add anything else. So with the magic of video, I'm just going to blend this up and come back to you. But if you're in here, please let me know where you're coming from and whether you've tried our brand before. Like and share it. I'll be back in a second. Okay, so welcome back. With the magic of video, we've done a little cleanup, and I want to show you the consistency of these balls. So I've ground them down really well. So it was about 10 seconds on high again. So very easy. You've got all the ingredients in there you need. So all you need to do now is to roll them into some little balls like this. What I've got here in front of me is just a collection of some different ideas that you can use to roll them in. So I've got a coconut bowl, and so I've got it there in coconut. I'm going to roll up another one, so just a handful. Now these can be made several days or weeks before Christmas, so don't be afraid to get in and do them now, because the beauty of them are you can just pop them in the freezer and they're ready to go. So if you've got crowds of people coming, this is such a healthy snack because it's gluten-free, dairy-free and vegan, so it will suit most diets. Now these here are some broken up pecan nuts. So we get our pecans locally here from Toowoomba, from Starman Farms. So I thought it'd be nice to use some of those. You really have to push the nuts into it a little bit, but that gives a nice little different covering on the outside. So then the last one I've got is just some chopped up cashews. So of course, if you've got somebody who can't eat nuts, just avoid the nuts and go for the coconut. So once again, just push those balls into the nuts and you'll get some of that on the outside, which looks really cool. So I'll do a few more of these and take a photo of it for you, but you do the same principle with both the mueslis and using the Anzac Biscuit Crumble as well. That was absolutely beautiful. Once again, tip, if you need some sweetener, use some honey or some rice syrup. And by all means, if you think you need some more chocolate chips, we have some little raw chocolate chips that you can purchase on our shop as well. So thank you for joining me, and have a Merry Christmas, everyone. If you're going to get the crumble, there is a barcode there. You can also download a little recipe book from us. Thank you for joining me.